million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Y'all, I'm back with some synthetic drip sent to us by our good friends over there at SamsBeauty. Y'all know I love SamsBeauty. I'm currently in the midst of filming, all those 27 synthetic wigs that I bought, and a good number of them actually came from SamsBeauty. They're your one-stop shop for all your beauty needs. If you look in the description box, you will see all of their social media details as well as a direct link to this unit that I'm excited about for a couple of reasons. Bam, there it is. Okay, it's by Zury. That's the first reason why I'm excited, because Zury used to be my favorite company, and they, I'm also excited about the color and the style. This wig is called, I'm fixing to mess this up. Is it ESME? In the comments, somebody phonetically tell me how to pronounce that. ESME. Second reason why I'm excited is the color. FFT Latte. Y'all know that's one of my favorite Zury colors. ESME, I'm assuming that's it, is 34 inches long. So Zury released this collection called Go Long Instantly, in which they released the one that we're reviewing in the middle, one called Rose that's like a wavy one, and then one called Soft that's like a body wave. Okay, she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. Look at this color. That's why I'm excited. How pretty is that? But y'all, it's 34 inches long. They ain't lied. Y'all, look how long. Now on the stock card, they say tangle free, which, come on now, y'all, this is a 34-inch long synthetic wig. Let's just hope that it doesn't tangle as quickly. But how pretty is that color? Comb in the back, adjustable straps. In the front, you get ear-to-ear lace that I've already cut off. That's all I did to this unit. A comb to the right, comb to the left, and you get that lace part. And some baby house. All right, y'all. I'm gonna plop on my head, play around with her, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. This unit, and y'all, I cannot lie, this is a beautiful wig. Surprisingly, for it to be synthetic and 34 inches long, I did not get tangling like I thought I would get, because you know I was running these little nails that need to fill in all through it, trying to get a lot of tangling, and to be honest with y'all, I'm not. And I really cannot figure out why I'm not, because this is a silky 34-inch wig. So is this a wig that I think you'll be able to, wear like 15 times? No. This is the hair that I think you would get for like an event, a photo shoot, something. Because it is a hair turn at 34 inches long. And Zury makes this in other colors. If you don't like the little blonde in the front, they have it with a blue, a red velvet, some other type of red. So it comes in tons of colors, but this little blonde strip is right up my alley. So can I recommend this one? 1000% I can recommend it. Just know you're getting a 34-inch synthetic wig, so you ain't gonna be able to bring this one in 2023. Okay, it ain't going with you. Okay, if you look at the description box, you'll see a direct link to where you can go get this from our friends over there at SamsBeauty. This wig actually shocked the heck out of me. If it was about right here, this would be my jam. A jam, as James Brown said. All right, let me close this up. Until next time, which will be very soon, because I'm about to jump into this next one that they sent that I'm super excited about.